Understanding Closet Storage, a guide for English learners. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, closet storage. Understanding such phrases is key to improving your English skills, especially if you're interested in topics like home organization or interior design. So, let's dive in. Closet storage might sound straightforward, but it's packed with meaning. A closet is a small room or a space in a room with a door, primarily used for storing clothes, shoes, and other personal items. The word storage, on the other hand, refers to the act of keeping or placing things in a space for future use. So, when combined, closet storage specifically refers to the organization and keeping of items within a closet. There are various types of closet storage, each serving a different purpose. Here are a few. 1. Shelves. Ideal for folded clothes, boxes, and other items. 2. Hanging rods. Used for items that are best stored hung up, like dresses and suits. 3. Drawers. Great for smaller items like socks and underwear. 4. Baskets and bins. Useful for storing items that don't need to be hung or folded. Effective closet storage is crucial for several reasons. Maximizes space. Proper storage solutions help in utilizing the closet space efficiently. Easy accessibility. Organized storage ensures that you can easily find what you need. Maintains order. It helps in keeping the closet tidy and clutter-free. Here are some practical tips to organize your closet storage. Categorize your items. Group similar items together. Use space wisely. Utilize vertical space with shelves and stackable bins. Regular decluttering. Periodically remove items you no longer use or need. We hope this video has shed light on the concept of closet storage and its relevance in everyday life. Remember, understanding such specific phrases can greatly enhance your English language skills. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.